We need someone who can go toe-to-toe with Trump on the podium. Too bad Trump backed out for the last minute. And as a moderate voter, I'm actually entertained by this week's turns of events. But so far, it's a very simple choice. Americans are voting for dictatorship or woke democracy. Putting kids in cages or uncontrolled open border. Simple choice. Project 2025 or Me Too wokeness liberalism. The prosecutor or the perpetrator. Or most people say felon. It is on.